Hi, I'm Chef Pringle, and welcome to the Heyward Baking and Pastry program. Baking, we're considered the scientists of the food industry. We're the ones who are very precise with measurements. We have to do a lot of math in order to make sure we're accurate. So we're really making sure students are organized, but also disciplined.
It's a good opportunity for me because I'm young and people could see me, see what I could do, see how I act in public, and they could be like, wow, I need her on my team. And I see my friends, they're like, oh my God, Gabby, you're baking and pastry. They call me Chef. They be like, hi, Chef. Hello, Chef. And I think it's a good thing that I can produce things that make people happy, and I can produce things to, make me memorable.
We're actually trying to concentrate many of our sales around the major holidays that happen throughout the year. Valentine's Day, Thanksgiving, Christmas, Easter, Mother's Day. It gives them the opportunity to learn mass volume production, how to organize, how to get prepared, all the steps necessary from point A to point Z to get them to be able to execute a successful project. We want them to be able to find a means to say, okay, this is a potential career that I can actually take on.